So if you wanna see our graduated post on Facebook, then keep watching this video till the end. So after opening your Facebook profile, click on this box, what's on your mind, okay? So click here, now scroll down a little bit, and now click here live event, now click on education, now select the second option graduated. Now to edit pictures, just click on photos and videos option at the top right corner. Now select the picture from your phone gallery. After selecting your pictures, just click on down at the top right corner. Now you gotta enter your school or college name here, so just click on add a school. For an example, I'm selecting any of these options. Now just below your school name you get an option here, so just click on the small down arrow icon. Now select it's a high school or college, and after writing everything, just click on next button at the top right corner. And now to share this post to the public, just click on post button at the top right corner. So this is how you can share graduated posts on Facebook. That's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.